Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox number of items you don't own in this outfit error. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This is a common error that can occur when you try to equip an outfit that contains an item that you no longer own. There are a few reasons why this error might occur. One possibility is that the item was removed from the Roblox catalog. There are two ways to fix this error. The first way is to simply remove the item that you don't own from the outfit. To do this, go to your avatar page and click on the Outfits tab. Then click on the outfit that you want to edit. Finally, click on the remove button next to the item that you don't own. The second way to fix this error is to replace the item that you don't own with another item. To do this, go to your avatar page and click on the Outfits tab. Then click on the outfit that you want to edit. Finally, click on the add button and select the item that you want to replace. That's it. Those are the two ways to fix the Roblox number of items you don't own in this outfit error. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.